Hey everyone, today we will be doing this wood pencil block that I did for my daughter's teacher. It is 14 by 5 inches and I did my outline first before I cut anything because I cut it as a rectangle first and then my pencil. I also did the outline to guide me where I needed to paint exactly. So these are the acrylic paints that I will be using. I used black, gray, dark yellow, bright red, and light pink. And I got these all in a set at Michael's for about $8. It came along with a lot of other colors. I don't remember exactly how many. So now we are going to paint our pencil, and for the brownish thing, I just left it the wood color, you know, like a normal pencil, and this is how it turned out. And afterwards, I would write my teacher's name with a Sharpie, a black Sharpie. I figured I had more support with it. So that is it. Thank you all for watching, and I hope you guys enjoyed this very, very quick tutorial. And until next time.